is a medical examiner versus a coroner in forensic cases? Imagine a scene where someone has died unexpectedly or under suspicious circumstances. Who steps in to figure out what happened? The answer involves two key figures in forensic science: medical examiners and coroners. They both play vital roles in death investigations, but their backgrounds and responsibilities are quite different. Let's break down what each one does and how they fit into the justice system. A medical examiner is a licensed doctor, usually with special training in forensic pathology. This means they are medical doctors who have studied how and why people die, especially in complex cases. They are appointed to their position, not elected by the public. Their main job is to perform autopsies, which are detailed examinations of a body after death. They look at tissues, organs, and bodily fluids to find clues about the cause of death. They also analyze toxicology reports to see if poisons or drugs played a role. Medical examiners are experts in identifying injuries, diseases, or poisons that might be missed by someone without medical training. They often testify in court, explaining their findings to judges and juries as expert witnesses. Their work is especially important in cases of homicide, accidents, or sudden unexplained deaths, where precise medical knowledge is needed. Coroners, on the other hand, are often elected officials who may or may not have a medical background. In many places, coroners do not need to be doctors. Their role is more about overseeing the legal and administrative parts of death investigations. They confirm and certify deaths, especially when the cause is unclear or suspicious. Coroners decide if an autopsy is necessary and can call in a medical examiner or forensic pathologist to do the detailed work. They also organize inquests, which are formal inquiries into how a person died. Coroners work closely with law enforcement, gathering evidence, interviewing witnesses, and ensuring all legal procedures are followed. They also notify families and handle personal belongings of the deceased. Because coroners are elected, they are accountable to the public, but their lack of medical training can sometimes limit how deeply they investigate. The main difference between the two lies in their qualifications and daily tasks. Medical examiners are trained doctors who focus on the scientific side of death investigations. They perform autopsies, interpret lab results, and provide expert testimony in court. Coroners are officials who handle the legal and administrative aspects, deciding when an autopsy is needed and ensuring the process follows the law. In many areas, especially with advances in forensic science, more places are moving toward using medical examiners because their medical training allows for more accurate and detailed investigations. In the world of true crime and criminology, these roles often come into play during investigations of mysterious or high-profile deaths. A medical examiner's autopsy report can reveal hidden injuries, toxins, or signs of foul play that might be the key to solving a case. Their testimony can be the turning point in court. Coroners, while less visible in media stories, are the ones who officially declare a death suspicious, which then triggers a deeper investigation. They work with police, families, and sometimes the media, especially in small communities where they are well-known figures. Knowing who does what helps us understand how death investigations work in real life. Both medical examiners and coroners want to find out how someone died, but they use different tools and have different responsibilities. Medical examiners relying on their medical training to uncover the truth, while coroners handle the legal side and coordinate the process. This knowledge makes the process clearer and more interesting for anyone curious about how justice is served in cases of sudden or suspicious death.